We now move on to the injuries section under the player profile. And what we can see clearly is that we have the ability to see any current injuries that are not signed off. We can see the issue and the current status of these injuries. We can also go back and view historical injuries that are already on the system if we want to have a look at any issues for any reason. We can scroll through, easily see any notes that were made for these injuries, any documents that were uploaded, and then any historical status updates as well. We see the current injuries that is ongoing and the playing status, and then we have the ability to easily add an injury as well, working through the required fields such as the date the injury was sustained, the type, which is consistent with the UEFA guidelines on medical reporting. We choose easily the body site that we want to annotate. We have all of these easily clickable options for running through and setting up a new injury. And then we have areas where we can add any additional information as well, just to be consistent with any analysis is only as good as the data that is getting inputted. So the more we put in, the more that we're able to see afterwards. We can add our notes, and under examination and treatments, we can add any imaging or documents to the player injury. We can add a final diagnosis, which we can select, or we can type in our OSIX codes and a diagnosis as we go, and also where we update our playing status. So we have our playing and our training status at the bottom here, and once these are finally returned to play, we can then sign off the injury as required.